Welcome to the HandyTrac installation video. Your typical single cabinet system delivery will include 3 boxes: a data log and control box, your cabinet, your key panels, and a setup package including an installation and user guide. The parts and tools you'll need are an uninterruptible power supply or UPS for surge protection and backup battery power, mounting fasteners capable of holding 50 pounds for masonry, drywall, wood or metal studs, drill and drill bits, a level, flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and pliers. You'll also need a networked internet connection. The touch system is Wi-Fi capable, but HandyTrac will also supply you with an Ethernet cable for wired connection. Now that we have our parts and tools, we can begin the installation process. This is Jordan. He will be performing the installation. So let's get started. Your cabinet should be installed with the bottom being 44 inches from the floor. When possible, stack the 2 boxes your cabinet and control box came in. They will give you the height you need and provide support for ease of installation. Next, level the cabinet. Then, make a mark in the 6 outermost edge holes and 3 of the holes in the middle. Install the anchors at each mark. Use the appropriate anchors for your wall type. Start all your screws first, re-level, and then tighten. After the screws are tight, check the level once more. With the control box in hand, fish the cables through the hole in the side of the cabinet. Put the control box flush against the side of the cabinet, mark your holes, install anchors, and mount your control box. Next, connect the 2 cables marked light. Connect the remaining cable to the solenoid. Before you continue, make sure you have connected each cable correctly. Connection of the light cable to the lock cable can result in lock failure, so it is very important to ensure correct connection before powering up the system. Insert the 2 sets of cables into the clips and tuck the wires. Place each panel into the top hole, then drop into the matching bottom hole. Now, plug the power cord into the Surge Plus battery side of the UPS, and your HandyTrac system is ready to establish communications. To complete the HandyTrac activation process, power on the system and call our HandyTrac service department using the provided toll-free number.